Like if you're not out every weekend, posting stories, chasing trends, people think you're missing out. But what if I told you being boring might be the most powerful thing you can be in today's world? See, society worships stimulation, constant motion, loud voices, endless noise. Everyone's busy trying to look interesting, but very few are actually becoming someone interesting. Because here's the truth, being boring isn't about having a dull life. It's about being focused in a distracted world. It's about choosing depth over attention, peace over noise, and growth over validation. Think about it, the people who change the world don't spend their lives scrolling for the next dopamine hit. They're too busy building, learning, creating. They're not chasing every party or every viral moment. They're chasing mastery. Being boring means you read when others scroll. You rest when others compare. You build in silence while others perform for the algorithm. And that silence, that stillness, becomes your weapon. Because in a world addicted to speed, patience becomes power. In a world that values attention, focus becomes freedom. And in a world that rewards noise, peace becomes your rebellion. The truth is, most people aren't afraid of being boring. They're afraid of being alone with their thoughts. They're afraid of not being seen, not being validated. But here's the paradox, once you stop chasing validation, you start earning real respect. Once you stop trying to look interesting, you actually become it. The quiet person in the corner? They're not boring. They're observing, learning, becoming dangerous in silence. So if your life feels boring right now, good. That means you're not caught in the chaos. You're choosing calm over clout. You're choosing to build something real while everyone else is busy performing. One day, those same people who called you boring will call you disciplined, wise, even successful. They'll wonder how you did it. And you'll know the answer. You stopped chasing the world long enough to build your own. So don't be afraid of quiet days. Don't be afraid of empty weekends or peaceful routines. That's not boredom. That's alignment. Because in a world that's losing its mind chasing noise, the boring ones are the only ones still thinking clearly.